Will Rich here, and hopefully you're having a good day today. So we just wrapped up this something really special I want to share with you guys. We had a full implementation training today where we went over everything inside of Prophecy and the new things we've added this month. And so when we went over it, I actually shared it in this training, and I'm not going to give you guys the entire training because it is, full in depth, it's pretty long, and also there's some things in there that we share only with the people that are part of the Prophecy AI. So, nevertheless, I want you guys to see some of the new features that we've added and just get some value out of seeing how it's not just about the projections, it's not just about the predictions, but it's really about the strategy. And hopefully, you decide that you want to be a part of Prophecy AI, or at least you get some value out of watching this video. Let's jump into it. We're going to jump right in to some of the new features we added. So, one of the things that oftentimes comes up, especially when you're trying to scale your portfolio, and I'm letting some other people in here. Ali's joining in. Cool. So one of the things that happens when you're trying to scale your portfolio to new levels, like I was just talking with Canyon, he's on the next goal is $1 million. Some people are getting, just a couple 100,000. Some people are trying to get to 1 million, but almost always like it's gonna be broken down not just by your projections and your predictions, but also by your strategy and how you're able to execute alongside your projections and your predictions. Because you can be right and you have to be um, accurate if you want to make cash quicker. But if you're okay with waiting a long time, then you don't have to have the timing very right. It's just like in investing, if you want to just wait a long time to get to, your compound of your portfolio and your scaling, it becomes easier when you just wait. But if you want to scale quicker and get to above 1 million or snowball your million faster, it's definitely going to come down to your strategy that you run. So the strategy is something that has been missing from Prophecy AI. So I'm really excited we're going to be adding that uh, segment into Prophecy. So I want to show you guys kind of where that's going and what it's kind of looking like as we build this out. So first thing, let me share my screen here. Okay. So one of the things we recently started adding, which is very exciting, we just started to push this live actually, is very soon you're going to start to see this strategy. So I know some of you guys are tuning in for the first time, and like if you are tuning in for the first time, no problem at all. You're going to log into your account. Once you get logged in, you'll go to the homepage. You could start searching your stocks. You'll get taken to a place just like this. You could search your stocks. You can select your AI model, and you can start getting the projections, and you can start building your different panels. So the panels are the different pages where you host different setups and you can have different panels. But once you get to a point where you're actually getting projections, and this is mock data, I'm just showing you guys because we're in demo mode here. When you're getting projections, the next step is going to be executing a strategy. And so something we recently started to build, which I'm super excited for, is the ability for investors to basically add a checklist or a um, essentially add a strategy for your AI to go through before you enter into a trade. And so this essentially will allow you to verify different strategies while you're investing. And if you don't do this, then you're basically just trading with your projections, and maybe you have an entry, maybe you have an exit, maybe you have a projection that you're looking at and it looks okay. But if you don't have strategy built in, then you're not going to be able to minimize your risk. You're not going to have a repeatable system that you can always apply every single time. And so where we're going with this is very soon, we're talking in the next week or so. What you're going to be able to do is actually select your AI model, connect the AI model, and then you're going to give the AI a task. So, for example, I want my AI to go look at the AI projections, for example, and then what should the agent look for? So now I'm actually giving a step. So what should the agent look for? These are all samples right now, but ultimately you can tell it anything. But right now I'm going to say I want the projection confidence level to be bullish or greater than a certain percentage. So I'm going to do 80%. So if the projection that is given by the AI is greater than 80% confidence, then it passes this step. The next step is going to be what you want the agent to verify. So one thing, you might say, verify the projection aligns with all the fundamentals. You might say, confirm the risk to reward ratio. So have a risk to reward ratio that the AI looks at. Or it might be, in my case, I might just say like, let's say that it's broke above the um the 1 hour um perspective of the 15-day EMA. Like this would be like pretty advanced, right? But let's just do that. So I'm going to add that. And then now I'm going to my next step. So the next step, let's say I do support and resistance. And honestly, you guys know you could buy at a support and resistance level. You could buy right at a support and it could still continue down. You could buy right at a resistance, it could still continue up. It's the strategy is so important to execute. So what I'm going to show you here, but like even if that's the case, if you use support and resistance, it's going to give you an advantage because now you're giving one more probability. So basically what I'm doing is I'm stacking all these probabilities. So I want the support and resistance level, let's say. I want the nearest support levels to be really at a double bottom pattern, let's say, on the support level. Okay, so now I got that step, and I might have Claude go verify that because Claude is really good at the technicals. And then finally, I might confirm the level holds on the retest or something. So basically, what I just did is I created a strategy. So pretty soon, we're going to allow you to take some of the templates um, that we build, but ultimately the goal is to revolutionize what's coming to prophecy so that it's not just AI projections, that the accuracies are becoming better and better and the models are getting better and better and everything's improving there, but also the strategy to execute alongside so you can maximize your gains and minimize your risk. So now all I do is I have it so that if one of the steps don't pass, then it's going to go ahead and stop. But if I run the strategy here and they all pass, then it will give me the goal. So let me run the strategy. All right, so I can see that on this stock that I'm verifying, it did not pass my verification here. So then I might wait, I might rerun it. Let's see. Run it. Oh, it passed. All of them passed. Everything passed. My strategy checks out. And now I can make a decision. Now, I know that we just dove deep into the strategy layer, but I want to take a quick second to pull back the curtain on the future charts, and you guys got to see how cool that is. But once again, the latest calls, we share them all inside Prophecy AI for all of our members, these group calls that we have each week. And this is also another big thing you get with Prophecy, which is, look, you could be looking at the screen, but you're seeing the AI projected of where it's going. So that's kind of like a weather forecast where the markets are predicting from different AI models. And you can combine the different AI models, ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, and Gemini, so you get completely covered with a complete breakdown of the projections for the next month, the next day, the next 6 months from all the different models. And as I've mentioned in the presentation we just went through, we are still officially in first access phase. So that means two things. Number one, we need your brain. If you're getting in now and you aren't just a user, realize you're a partner and we want your feedback. Tell us what's working, tell us what you want to see next, and then help us sharpen this tool into a better version of itself. So you kind of get this kind of inner circle treatment where By joining today, you're getting immediate entry into our daily live trading sessions that we have Monday through Friday. And you can watch us apply these AI projections here real time in the market every single day. So here's the bottom line, guys. We are keeping the first access special pricing live right now for you to go grab Prophecy AI. And you get full access for the entire year before the price jumps to the standard retail rate. So once we move out of first access, this deal is gone. So if you want to lock in your spot, help us build the future of trading, and I'll see you in the live session as soon as Monday morning. Just click the link below in the description and let's get to work. And when you click the link, it's just going to take you to the page where you're going to fill out your information. You'll go here, you'll get to this page, you'll see all the different AI models. So they're all included: Gemini, Grok, ChatGPT, Claude, Prophecy. You can use the multi-model view, you can use the single model projection view. You get all the widgets, the support and resistance widgets. You get all of the markets to see the different markets that we've built and the micro and sub markets inside of those markets that are growing today and all of the best industries in the world. And you can let AI do the analysis for you. And if you go to the link here, virtual stock trading system, you just click the link there, enter your information, you'll click into the next page, and you have the option to go for the full year of the machine and lock it in right now in the link in the description. So go have a look, send your details there, and you're going to be all set. And I'd love to personally give you a call and get you onboarded so you can start scaling your portfolio. Appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.